Okay, Waka, today we're looking at Tuesday, January 29th, square root regressions on page 47. If you would, update your table of contents. All right, now your table of contents are updated. Let's take a look at our notes. All right, square root regressions on page 47. Square root regressions inspire steps. Step 1, press the on button. Step 2, select 1, new document. Step 3, select no if asked do you want to save unsaved document. Step 4, press 4, add list in spreadsheet. Step 5, complete the table. Now, a little warning, do not use points with x equals 0 or y equals 0. So if there's a 0 in the x or y, you can't use that point. Step 6, control doc. Step 7, press 5, add data and statistics. Step 8, press tab x enter, tab y enter. Make sure the x is on the bottom, the y is on the left. Step 9, press menu for analyze, 6 regression. Step 10, press 7, show power. If you would, update your notes. All right, now your notes are updated. Let's take a look at our examples on page 47. Now, if you do not have an Inspire at this time, you might wait to start watching the rest of this video until you do. Now you can continue. All right, so it says write the regression equation given the points from the table and say if models the square root function. Okay, so first things first is we're going to go to on, new document, no, add list in spreadsheets, x, y. Now notice the first point has a 0 and it can't use it, so we'll use the next point. So 1, 1, 4, 2, 9, 9, 3, 16, 4. Notice that I almost put the 9 in the wrong place. That's why you want to make sure you're paying attention, and you also want to double check that the points are correct on your calculator before you move on to the next step. Press Control Doc, number 5, tab X, tab Y, menu, analyze, regression, show power. All right, so we're going to write that down. We have y equals 1, x to the 0.5. Okay. Now, you're not going to leave your answer like that because x to 0.5 can be written as x to the 1/2, which we know that the x to 1/2 is 2 square roots of x to the 1 power, which you can simply write as the square root of x. All right, let's take a look at example 2. So again, you're going to go to on, new document, no, add list in spreadsheets, x, y. Now again, the first point has 0, can't use it, so we'll move on to the next point. Now, another way to put the points, you can do this: 1, 4, 9, 16, and 2, 4, 5, 4. Press Control Doc, number 5, tab X, tab Y, menu, analyze, regression, show power. Now you'll notice that the line doesn't go through the points very well, so that's a red flag that this is probably not a square root function. But let's look at the function it says. Y equals, I'm trying to 1 decimal place, so 2.3 x to the 0.3. Now you can see here that example 1 was exactly 0.5, so that was a square root function. All right, but here that's nowhere near close to 0.5, so this is not a square root function. All right, let's take a look at example 3. All right, so here on new document, no, add list in spreadsheets, X, Y, so 12, 48, 108, 192, 300, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Control Doc, number 5, tab X, tab Y, menu, analyze, regression, show power. And so we're going to round one decimal place. So that's Y equals 2.9, X to the 0.5, which can be written as 2.9 times the square root of X. So you can see here that we're exactly 0.5, so we can say that that is a square root function. All right, so if you would, finish up your examples and start working on your assignment and have a wonderful Wildcat day.